Good morning, party folk.
Rise and shine.
It is 8:57 a.m. We are due back in Yucaipa today. We got a lash fill, so we're gonna go see Alex again, and then we're gonna probably try and hit up Roast the Dead Coffee out there while we're in Yucaipa. But I will see you when we're there.
Many hours later.
We just got here. Hello. Boo! Hello. How are you? Thank you. We're back in Alex's room. So cute. DGI. This is Aloe. Alrighty, folks. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Ooh, she's refreshed. And there's purple in there. We're headed to Roast the Dead Coffee because I really want to try it. So we'll see you there.
Change it.
Sam followed us.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And he was like,
That's really cool.
you write his name everywhere.
Oh, that's cool.
They've been willing to experiment with
Get out of here right now.
Wow. What'd you get?
Chai tea, about
Chai. Oh. Okay, y'all. I got 2 drinks because I couldn't resist. Aloe got a dirty chai, blended.
filthy.
Filthy dirty chai. I got a Myers Fog, which is a pumpkin spice cold brew with cold foam. That's some good cold foam. It is! Oh no. I got it on my bracelet. And then I got a shark water. And it's a blue... Hello? A blue raspberry lemonade with, I think, strawberry syrup. They're making fun of me because I'm recording.
Man, this coffee is so good.
Smooth move on the joystick.
I mean, like, I've been wanting to sell it so that I can buy a new one, you know what I mean? But I don't have to just yet because I have my other keyboard.
Hey y'all, we made it back home. I lost my train of thought. Thanks for hanging out with me and getting coffee and getting my lashes done with me. I had a lot of fun with Alex and Alo. We tried to go get a graphics card for Aunt's PC, but Best Buy was completely out of like any of them, so it was a bust. And those are those, you know, 2 little clips you see in there. But otherwise, roasted coffee is great. I hope that we get to go back next time we get our lashes done again. Next time we go in for a fill. But now your girl is ready to go on her trip, and now we'll just wait and see for the next one. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you had fun. You got to meet re-meet Alex, and you got to meet Alo today, so you'll be seeing a lot of adventures with them, I'm sure. So thank you again for hanging out. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you give us a like, it'll definitely help me get into your algorithm and, you know, get out there a little bit more, so, you know, help your girl out maybe if you like the videos. Bye.